Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Weebly and this is the best free website builder. Now, before we dive in, there's the link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Now, Weebly is a popular site used for many years now and a lot of people are loving it due to the template based editing it provides for your website building. Now, if you scroll a little bit down, you can see we have amazing themes being offered by the platform, and we can get started with these. So you can see this is a review of the theme, and we can also add our customization, animations, and much more. So you can see, click on start editing, and you can get your editing get going. So we have many other themes as well. Now, amazing features about this site is the beautiful designs it offers, complete platform. It also have the inventory system. You can also track orders and handle taxes. You have your advanced tools like, for example, real-time shipping, abandoned basket, vouchers, and currencies. So amazing platform. You can also create some easy apps for your mobiles, and that will be really handy as well. So make sure to give it a try as well. Also, you can see you can run your business and a lot to offer by Weebly. So by the way, it is now converted into Square, so its new name is going to be Square soon, Weebly. And yeah, so if you are still unsure about Weebly, let me show you some of its reviews. You can see simple drag and drop with bullet in templates to create professional website, easy to use website builder, and the best web editor out there. So if you are willing to try this, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses, and that will be super awesome. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys around in the next video.